I got a package today. This is from my dear friend Tracy. Our families go back a long time. Her daughter is a childhood friend of mine, and we went to dance together. We went to church together, and basically grew up together. And she sent me a package of. She's like, so she messaged me on Facebook, and she said that she has some MJ stuff to send me. I'm like, you want it? I'm like, yeah, sure. Yes, please, I'll take it. And so she sent me a package. And how I became a Michael Jackson fan? Well, basically, I was at Brandy's house, and we watched Moonwalker, and that's how I became his short films. I became an MJ fan, and love Michael. He's amazing. I also love Matthew. That's another story for another video. I'll be doing a video about his book next, Cooking with Magic, so you'll do it for that. But if you like Michael, welcome. And if you don't, while you're watching this video, click off the video, please. Thank you very much. So let's open this. All right. Let's see what's in this. Okay, she got a note here. Dear Paul, I hope you enjoy these books. The one that are written by Michael himself. I just know there are room for them if ever and where when they're around. Have a blessed day. I hope your life is great and hearts as well. Love, Shot, Tracy, Colin, Brady, Gene, Guy, and Casper. Aw. Okay. Awesome. So there's some books here. Ooh, this is cool. It says a book. I'm Michael Jackson Authorized. Oh. This is so cool. I love this. I have to read these, so. More MJ books. Yay, that's awesome. I'll post this to our MJ Book Club on Facebook. If you guys like Michael Jackson, guys, on Facebook there's an MJ Book Club. They also have a YouTube channel. I'll link the description below if you want to join. Come up, join us. We talk about Michael and books about the things he's up to, like Travelland, things like that. Awesome. Ooh, Magic and Madness. Very cool. Right, temporarily. So cool. That's why it's so heavy. Oh. So. Awesome. I think they had some of the this one. That's awesome.
There's the brick you may have suspected may have been stuck in
Oh,
there.
that's what the brick is. Oh, that's a good box. So cool. This is cool. I have to read these, so it's gonna be more books. Yay! Ooh. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. That's awesome. He's got his signature in the black and the red. That's perfect for Michael. I love this. Oh, no. Is this what I think it is? This is a Dancing with the Dream. It's the original copy. I have
look in the very front.
I have the one after he passed away, the one that they put out after he died, but this is the original one. This is not pretty good fun to see anymore, but see the signature right there.
Open the front, very front. No, first page. Don't hold it by the binding like that. Next page. That's not what I'm looking for. There's supposed to be a. You need to be more gentle with that.
It's beautiful.
That's not what I'm looking for because this is borderline copyrighted. It's not what I'm looking for. This is borderline copyright. It's not in there.
This is amazing. Wow. So it's just like mine, but just, I have two copies of the book now. Yay. That's cool. Planet Earth, one of my favorite poems by Michael. There's a video of him reading it. I'll link that in the description below too if you want to hear it. So this beautiful photographs in there.
Careful. Stop yanking.
Black and white.
You don't hold it down here. You turn the page from the corner. That's how you get your ripped pages.
Oh, Smooth Criminal. Wow. Beautiful. I was listening to that song yesterday, actually.
We gotta move on.
Okay, let's look into it.
We gotta move on.
Alright.
I'm not gonna edit all this.
Ooh. Get this out of here. So.
Keep in mind, I've restricted to only my iPhone for editing now.
Oh, Michael Jackson, look at this. Oh, wow. This is so cool. They got stickers. These are so cool. This is like vintage stuff. This is like Thriller era. Wow. Awesome. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. Look at this. They're like the. You guys remember? If you guys were in '84, they had like bubble gum with the cards in them. You remember? If you guys were in that era, I wasn't born then, but you guys remember those? Let me know in the comments if you remember those below. These are amazing. Oh wow. Oh, so cool. Off the wall. So cool. Oh wow. Tracy, thank you so much for this. I don't know what to say. I'm like speechless right now. Pun not intended. That's one of the songs. So, paper. Collection. Let's see.
Leave that in there.
Thriller. That's cute. Eat it. Oh, the Wiz, there's the Wiz. Oh, look at him. Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. And she must have got a lot of double to collect these. Tracy, thank you. I love this so much. So I would definitely take care of these books, especially the 18 the Green. So, but this, I have to read the other two. I've not read the other two, but this book, you can find it. It's out of print now, but the original, the copy that was during after he passed away, I have. You might have to find it on Amazon. It might be like a third-party seller, but it's a great book if you love Michael Jackson. It's basically his poetry. It's basically his heart in a book, pretty much. And then another one I recommend is reading his biography, Moonwalker, which is basically it's life through his words, and he's telling his story. He's basically like talking to you, pretty much. But I'm like really overwhelmed right now. I'm gonna start crying now. But guys, thank you for joining me for this. This has been amazing. I will take care of these for sure. These will definitely help my heart. So have a magical day, guys. Take care. Peace, love, and Michael Jackson. I'll see you in the next episode. Love you guys. Peace, love, and bye. Bye. As Michael said, it's all for love. Bye.